Hello, welcome. Let's have a quick one on this. This is also another episode on permutation. We are picking the various types of permutation questions that we can lay our hand on. This is episode number 14. So, in how many ways can the letters of the word PAWPAW be arranged? Permutation is all about the arrangement of objects, picking some of them at a time. Now, if you are doing that arrangement, the arrangement are always of a distinct object. All the objects are supposed to be different from which we can arrange them in that order. But the moment you are going to arrange whereby some of the objects in the selection pool are identical, then we are dealing with what? The third type of what? Permutation, which is permutation of multi-set. So in this case, we can say that the word PAWPAW has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Meaning we are going to be selecting from 6 letters to arrange. Now, what do we do next? Now, we can say that in this, we have 2 of the P's. If you can check, 1, 2. We also have 2 of the A's. And finally, we have 2 of the W's. So, the number of arrangement is going to be total number of letters available, which is going to be 6 factorial. Then divided by the identical ones. So which means 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 2 what? Factorial. If you like, we can expand them. If you expand, this will give you 6, 5, let's say we have 4, 3, 2 factorial. This is just 2 times 1. This is also 2 times 1, then 2 factorial. Since this factorial is here, it will cancel. Now, this 2 will be 4, meaning this will cancel this and this. We should be left with only 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 3, that will give us 90 various ways or number of arrangements that we can be able to get if you want to arrange the letters of the word PAWPAW or PAWPAW. I believe you get the concept in this also. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment as we learn together.